the best Amras Thali in Pune. If that's what you are searching for, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end because you are about to find out some of the best restaurants in Pune that serve the most delicious thalis.
Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
So since a few days we've been traveling around Pune in search of the most delicious thalis to find out the best thalis what Punekars like.
And our search led us to this very well-known restaurant that just completed 75 years that's in Deccan, Pune. Deccan is a busy area bustling with people and it's located in the heart of Pune. Although the restaurant was crowded and more people were waiting outside, the owners did a fine job maintaining order. We got our tokens from this counter for 2 meals, 1 amras and 1 sitapal rabdi.
So we found a table here and I have Adrian right here with me. And just look at the crowd behind me guys. There are so many people that are gathered here and we have a thali right here. And along with the thali we've even taken the amras. So this is something that you have to take separately. And along with the amras here we have the sitafal rabdi. So guys, if you have a look, the thali has limited dishes in it. This right here is the chauli. Okay, this here is made out of cauliflower or something, and this is the amti here. So this gentleman here, he served us the koshambir. So he told me it's made out of red popla. Okay, and here we have one more item. Hey, kya hai? Tomato sar. Oh wow. Okay, tomato sar. I like this stuff. Okay, and this is the chutney. So if you have a look guys, this thali has a very minimalist approach, not too many things, but guys everything looks very home cooked with very less oil. I don't see anything that's floating in oil. He konti chutney hai? Jawas chutney. Okay, first time I'm going to try this. Acha. Kairi na? Haan. So this is the mango pickle. If you have a look at the chapati, it is very thin and I'm going to dip this right now in the chauli. Okay, so we have one more chapati here. Thank you. Okay, so we've got a fresh chapati which is hot and look at this, it's very thin and you know, even the texture of the chapati looks very good. So let's dip this in the chauli. So this is the chauli gravy. Not very spicy, just like how my mom makes it at home. Perfect, it's reminding me of that. And what's this here? This is the cauliflower gravy. Again, very mild flavor, not at all spicy. This is the perfect thali I wanted today guys. I didn't want to have a lot of masala. And what is this right here? Let's try this. This is the amti if I remember. It's sweet, a bit tangy, again lovely flavor. And let's go now for this potato bhaji. So if you have a look, they've kept the skin on the potato. Let's try this. This has super flavors. The potato is definitely fried in oil first and then the bhaji is prepared. If you have a look, this even has a coating of mustard seed on top. Flavor is amazing guys, I really like this. And now let's try the dahi. Wow, if you have a look, the dahi is not something that is bought from the store. If you have a look, the texture, it is even wobbly. So this dahi is something, you know, if you make it at home, overnight it tastes like that. Very, very pure flavors. There is no salt, nothing, just plain dahi. It tastes amazing. And let's try this. Koshambir, so it is a sweet, something which I am having for the first time. Very nice. And now let's have the chutney. Oh wow, I didn't expect the chutney to be that good. Even though this is a Maharashtrian thali, the chutney is fantastic. And let's try this tomato sar. So this tomato sar is something which my mom makes and we have it very often. Let's try this now. It goes really well with rice. Oh, amazing. So even this has a very good home cooked flavor. So guys, I'm done with the thali right now and I'm going to taste both these for you. So this is the Amras, this is the season special, and we have gone all around Pune to try the Amras. If you watch my video from Naivedya Thali restaurant, the restaurant is fantastic. It's a great option for Amras, but here rasam we already have, okay. But here we had to take this separately and we had to take this Sitafal Basundi separately. So let's try it. Fresh आहे, okay. Okay. कोणत्या आंब्याचा आहे?
हापूस
Okay.
रत्नागिरी हापूस आणि फ्रेश आता आजपासून चालू आहे
आजपासून चालू आहे, ओके. सो वी आर द लकी वन. हां, ओके. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, I'm assuming he is the owner here. He told me that the Amras here is fresh for the season and this is from Alfonso Mango. काय आहे ते? हां, थोडी टाका. So guys, this is a unlimited thali. I didn't mention that. नको नंतर. Okay, so these guys will keep coming back to the Amras. So this is the Alfonso Mango. As soon as you take a bite, you know it is Alfonso Mango because it has a very distinct flavor. And guys, it is taken out of the fridge. So this is cold. Very refreshing for this weather. Really nice Amras, guys. I think after Naivedya, this is the best Amras that we've had. I'm not comparing it with Naivedya because that was made from Lalbagh mango. This is Alfonso, totally different. And let's try this. Oh, I'm someone who loves Sitafal Basundi. And Adrian, while she's shooting, saw my reaction. She loves custard apple as well. This is really very good as well. It has bits and pieces of the Sitafal, which is custard, and it has a very milky flavor. So guys, I am done with my review here. In case if you're anywhere around Deccan, make sure you come here. It's in a residential building. You have to walk all the way here and come upstairs on the first floor. You have to get a token from that place there, and once you get a token, in like 10-15 minutes you will get the place, because on weekends this place is usually crowded. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, stay positive.